This question is asking us to evaluate the expression 3 times the quantity x minus y plus xy if x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 10. So here, when we're evaluating expressions, it is telling us a value for x and it's telling us a value for y. So what we need to do is everywhere we see an x, we need to substitute in a 4 because the problem is telling us that x is equal to 4. Everywhere we see a y, we need to substitute in a 10 because the problem is telling us that y is equal to 10. So our first step is that we're going to actually do that. So we're going to have 3 times the quantity, 4 minus 10, because everywhere we see an x, we put a 4. Everywhere we see a y, we put a 10. Plus 4 times 10. Whereas here we had x times y. Well, everywhere we see an x, we put a 4. Everywhere we see a y, we put a 10. Once we get to this line right here, all you need to do with this is type it into Desmos, and when you do that, you'll get 22. So when we evaluate this expression for x equals 4 and y equals 10, the answer is 22.